Can ClickFunnels replace your website? Yes, but should it? Maybe. Let me explain. My name is Brad, and I've been doing digital marketing for 15 years now, and I've been a ClickFunnels customer since 2016. I've built dozens of funnels for myself and clients over the years and in multiple businesses, and I've used all sorts of tools to build all those businesses, everything under the sun. So I have a kind of nuanced opinion about whether or not you should replace your website with ClickFunnels. So let me get into it. So what kind of website do you have? If your website is purely focused on conversion and you're just looking to build funnels and scale them up and get customers and that is it, then I think ClickFunnels is an amazing replacement for your website, because their whole argument is that if you send traffic, specifically paid traffic, to the typical website, they're going to get lost in the navigation and the brand story and all this boring stuff that doesn't lead to conversion. So if you're paying for traffic, then you want people to convert. So ClickFunnels is highly optimized for direct response marketing and conversion. So if you're sending traffic and you want it to convert, then switch over your website to a funnel and you will probably make a lot more money. So, having said that, why wouldn't you always want to switch your website to ClickFunnels? In my opinion, there are a lot of other purposes for a website, and I don't think ClickFunnels does them as well as others do. For example, if you do SEO, if you're going to build up SEO traffic, in my opinion, ClickFunnels is terrible at SEO. Yes, ClickFunnels has SEO features built in, but they are like archaic compared to something like WordPress, which has been working on their SEO features since the inception, and it's built into the core of the product. WordPress is designed from the ground up to be optimized for search engines, and that's just something that ClickFunnels can't compete in. Now, are there people who rank really well with ClickFunnels sites? I'm sure. If you know SEO, then you can rank with anything. You can rank with a raw HTML site. You can rank with all sorts of different things. If you know what you're doing with SEO, for sure, you can use ClickFunnels. But what I'm saying is that ClickFunnels doesn't make it easy. It doesn't have efficiencies built in for SEO, and WordPress does. And I would make the same argument for other platforms too, like, as far as I know, Wix and some of the other builders, they're really great at building a simple web page, and they look beautiful and they're very easy to use, which is the appeal. Just like ClickFunnels, looks amazing. The websites that it makes look awesome. You don't have to be a great designer or coder to build something beautiful, and that's awesome. But when it comes to a little more depth and it comes to building out a robust site, especially built for search engines, I just don't think ClickFunnels has it. Another group of people that I think should think carefully about switching their website over to ClickFunnels is e-commerce people. Again, are there people who do e-commerce and have made a gazillion dollars with ClickFunnels? Of course, because they switched over to a much more focused funnel-based strategy. However, a lot of people in e-commerce want to have a general store that, again, ranks in SEO and has that feeling of the browsing features and stuff like that. And ClickFunnels is not great at that. ClickFunnels, again, is built for converting traffic. So if you're sending traffic to a specific funnel for a specific e-commerce product and you want to multiply your revenue on that product, probably by a lot, then ClickFunnels is great for that. But if you're trying to build up a whole store, then the work that you'd have to put in to replicate a store in ClickFunnels, in my opinion, would be just astronomical, whereas efficiencies are built into programs like Shopify and WooCommerce. Those products are built from the ground up to be e-commerce. And so I think if you're doing e-commerce, then you might want to take some of your more popular products and build out their own funnels on ClickFunnels, and you get the advantages of the efficiencies that ClickFunnels has, which is funnel building. It's really good at building funnels. It's really good at taking a pounding from cold traffic, so to speak, and at optimizing the funnel process. Whereas something like Shopify can do funnels, I've seen it do funnels, but it's not in its bones. It's not built to do that. So you have to hack it to get it to do that. So it really just comes down to, what are you looking to do? If you're doing SEO, I say go with WordPress. WordPress and SEO go hand in hand. Now, if you're selling a course or a membership or an information product, then ClickFunnels is amazing. It's probably the top of the pack for that. If you're selling a course and you want to get into order bumps, upsells, downsells, all that stuff, and really build your customer value, then ClickFunnels is amazing. It's perfect for courses, for books, for information products. It's really beautiful for that. If you're selling an information product or a course, then you should definitely look at ClickFunnels for everything, for hosting your products, for your membership sites, and for your funnels as well. Lastly, let's say you're a consultant or a musician or maybe a small business and you don't ever really plan on having more than a handful of pages. You just want to have your services page, your About Us, or your About Me page if you're a consultant. You just want to have a handful of things and then drive people to book a call or to sign up for your newsletter or to download your free course. Then again, ClickFunnels is amazing. So that's my final breakdown. If you know that you're going to have a small website that you really want to focus on conversion, if you're a consultant or a small business or an information product owner, then ClickFunnels is amazing and it's probably what you want. But if you're going to build a long-term SEO strategy that's going to grow over time and you're going to keep adding more and more content, then you are going to pull your hair out if you have to do that on ClickFunnels. You need to have WordPress, something that's designed for scaling with SEO. And finally, if you're doing e-commerce, just go with Shopify or WooCommerce. Maybe some of the alternatives, BigCommerce and stuff, I don't really have much experience with them. In my opinion, Shopify is the way to go. Unless you're into the WooCommerce world, if you're a WordPress person, then definitely go with WooCommerce. But my recommendation is Shopify for e-commerce and ClickFunnels for coaches, consultants, authors, and information product owners. What do you think? Do you agree, disagree? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask them. Thanks for watching, and check out the links in the description below for some handy resources.